Hi friends, today we will see the remaining methods of the set data structure. We will see the first method is difference method. It is used to find the difference from one set to another set data structure. Syntax like syntax like if you take set one is equals to value one co- value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 swan set 2 is equals to value 4 comma value 5 comma value 6 swan. If you take difference like set 1 dot difference method like this of set 2, if you take like this will remove like a find out the after removing the difference like after removing the common elements from the both. Like if you take the difference method from one set to another set, it will gives only the remaining elements in the set one. We will see the output like if you take example is a S1 is equals to some 1, 2, 3, 4. Set 2 is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take like this, if you execute the difference like S1 dot difference of S2, we will see the output like S3 is equals to, we will get the return item from this S1 dot difference of S2, it will return the difference elements S3. If you print the S3, we will see the output of save and execute the test.py. See, we will get the 1 and 2 elements. See, here 3 and here set 1 3 and 4 and here set 2 3 and 4 are common. It will remove these two common elements and it will print only the 1 and 2 from the set 1. Why it is print 1 and 2? I have given set 1 dot difference of set 2. If you give like this, if you comment this one and if you give set 4 is equals to set 2 dot difference of set 1, if you see this will remove common elements from the both sets like both set data structures and only print the set to remaining elements like this. If you see this one and comment this one and print set 4, if you if you if you print, see we got the 5 and 6 are the difference from the difference elements from the set 2 dot difference of set 1. Next method is difference update method. This is used to update the our difference difference elements into left side set function. Left side set function. Sorry. Left side set data structure. Syntax like syntax like if you take set 1 is equals to elements like value 2 for set 2 is equals to elements like value 3, value 4, so on. If you give set 1 dot difference update set 2, if you print set 1 and set 2 data structures, we will observe the difference. If you take the example like S1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, S2 is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take S1 dot difference update of S2, it will no need to return the any structure, data structure. It will directly update it to update our difference into the S1 data structure. After updating print of S1, print both. If you want means print both data structures. If you want to see the difference. CLS Python test.py. See, first S1 I got 1 and 2, and the second S2 got 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this difference is updated into the our after gaining the difference, after coming the difference, like after we are getting the difference from the these common elements removed from the both the data structures, and only 1 and 2 I got. Difference means 1 and 2 I got. This 1 and 2 again updating into the set data, like set 1 data structure. If you take instead of this one, comment this one and S2 dot difference update of S1. If you take like this, see, first set I got 1, 2, 3, 4. First set I did not got any updated. Like did not updated. But set 2 is updated with a after removing the uh, common elements from the two S1 and S2 sets. 5 and 6 I is a difference from the output, but it is updated to set to data structure. This leftmost data structure got updated with a 5 and 6 elements. Next, next method is intersection method. It is only retrieve retrieve the common common elements or elements or objects from the both to set data structures. Syntax like syntax like set one set one equals to value one comma value two comma value three. So on set two is equal to value 4 comma value 5 comma value 6, so on. If you take intersection method, a set one dot, sorry, not different, intersection of set two, it will give common elements and it will make a set. See, if you take the same example above one, set 3 is equals to set 1 dot intersection of set 2. If you print the set 3 as a output, Python test.py, we will get the 3 and 4 is the output. Like this, if you take set 4 is equals to set 2 dot intersection of set 1, if you print instead of set 3, if you print the set 4, we will get the same output. If you take anything like S1 dot intersection of S2 or S2 dot intersection of S1, we will get the same output because of the both having the common elements of the 3 and 4. If you take 5 also, we will get the 3, 4, 5. C. 3, 4, 5 is the output. If you comment this one and uncomment this one and you comment this one and uncomment this one, see the output. See, we have got the 3, 4, 5 is the output. Copy example. Next, intersection update. It is only retrieve. It is retrieve the common elements and update that common elements into left side set data structure. Set data structure. Syntax like set1 equals to same syntax we will take this one. Intersection of update. If you take example like first we take this intersection update. No need to return this one. If you take the if you print the set1 and set2, we will observe. Please save and execute the Python tester. See, we got the common elements is updated in the leftmost here is S1. If you take comment this one and uncomment this one and remove this S4 and intersection update. See, second S2 data structure is updated with a 345. Previously, we have seen S1 updated with a 345. Here, S2 is updated with a 345. Sorry, friends. Next one is disjoint. Disjoint. Is disjoint method. It is going to print the true or false. True or false if the both the sets if the both the sets are if the both the sets are different elements contains both the sets are contains different different elements. Okay, it will print the true if the both the sets are contains different elements. else false. And it going to print the true if the both the sets are contains different elements, else false. See, we are going to S1 and S2 S2 set data structures. If we going to print of S1 dot disjoint of S2, execute this one. We got the false. Why? These both sets are different. If both the sets are same, like contains some same elements, like common elements. If you take here 3, 4, 5, if you take here 6, 7, 8, 9, if you print Python test.py, we got the true is the answer. Why? These both the sets are contains the different elements. Next one is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference method. Like symmetric difference is it is going to print it is going to print the elements present in both the sets present in both sets except common common elements. It is going to print the elements present in the both the sets except common elements. If you take syntax like set1 equals to value1 comma value2 comma value3 comma value4, set2 is equals to value1 comma value2 comma like different elements, value5 comma value6 comma value7 comma value8. If you take symmetric difference syntax like S1 dot of symmetric difference of S2 set 2, see the output. If you take this one, print of S1 dot symmetric difference of S2. Python test.c. Here I got the all elements present in the both the sets S1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. If you take some common elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take like this, we will see the output. See, we except the 3, 4, 5 like common elements, we got the remaining elements from the both the sets except the common elements from the both the sets. Here, like set 1 I got the 1, 2 and set 2 I got the 6, 7. See, here I got the 1, 2. This 3, 4, 5 is present in the set 2 also. That's why it is make that removed from the both set. And 6, 7 is remaining elements from the S2. Like that's why 1, 2, 6, 7 output we got. This is the answer of the symmetric difference example. Like one more, one more, like one more method is symmetric difference update method. Difference update method. Like what output got this? This one is updated in the leftmost one, like S1. See output. It is going to print the elements. It is going to update the elements present in both sets except common elements into left side set data structure. Left side set data structure. Syntax like same one but small change underscore update. See here it is not going to return anything. It is only update that answer into leftmost one. Leftmost one here is set S1. If you print S1 and S2, both sets, you will see the difference. See, set 1 I got 1, 2, 6, 7. Set 2 I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, if you take and comment this one and set 2 dot symmetric difference update of set 1, like set 1 I am going to get the same, but set 2 is updated with a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 7 I got, I will going to update, like it will going to update. See, set 1 I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set 2 I got the 1, 2, 6, 7. It is going to update. It is going to updated. Next method is superset, not capital, is superset. Is superset method. It is it is going to print the true or false. It is going to print the true if if set one like leftmost left side set contains, sorry, it is going to print the true if right side side right side set data structure right side set data structure. The structure elements are objects is present in the left side left side left side set data structure. Syntax like if you take else false. If you take syntax like set1 is equals to value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 comma value 4. Set2 is equals to value 5 and value 4. Set1 dot is superset of superset of set 2. Like this set 2 elements all is present in the set 1. Like set 1, it will return the true. We will see the output like well, it's difficult to understand the definition. If you see, if you take like set 1 is S1 is a superset means if you take like elements like 3, 4, 5. I'm taking the three elements. If you take print of S1 dot is superset of S2. S1 is a superset of S2. If you like see, we got the true. Like S2 elements all is present in the S1, but S1 contains the any elements also like this. If you take reverse also, there is a one more from method like S2 is subset of S1. Like this also you can take. See, we got the true. Comment this one if you have confusion means comment this one. Like S2 is subset of S1 means like S2 is here behaving like a child and S1 is here behaving like a parent. Like S2 all elements is present in the S1 means it is a S2 is a subset of S3, S1. Like see, S1 contains the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but S2 contains the 3, 4, 5. This all elements is present in the S1. If you take one more element like 6 is present in the S2, see first example, remove this one and see this one. See the output. What we have get. See, we got the false. Why? S1 is a superset of S2. Means S1 all elements, sorry, S2 all elements should have, must and should have to present in the S1. Like it is a parent. S1 is a here behaving like a parent. S1 is a superset, like it is a parent. Must and should the S2 elements all have to present in the S1. In that case only S1 behaves like a superset, but S1 contains the may not contain may not contains the some elements, but may contains the some elements also. But S2 must and should have the elements, but that elements should have must and should have present in the S1. Example like is subset. It is going to print to the true if left side set data structure elements is present in the left side set data structure elements all elements present in the all elements here also all elements is present in the right side set data type or set data structure. Else false. Else it gives false. Syntax like syntax like is a not instead of super we have given the subset. Instead of super we have given the subset. Here see if you print off S1 dot is subset of S2, you can take like this. Here S1 is a sub. Here it is S1 is considered a subset of S1 is a S1 is a contains some elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But S2 is contains like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you remove sixth element. Here S1 all elements must have should be present in the S2, but S2 can contain that some some another elements also. See the output. We got the false is the answer. Why? Here S1 is a not a subset of S2. Why? S1 S1 contains some common elements, but that another elements also contains, but not that another elements is not belongs to S2. If you take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 also, see, we got the true. If you take same like, but instead of this, we can take reverse also. S2 is subset of S1. Like see, sorry. S2 is like this reverse also we can take. See, here S2 contains the 3, 4, 5 elements, only 3, 4, 5 elements. That 3, 4, 5 elements is contains in the S1. Here S1. But S1 contains the some other elements also. S1 may contain the other elements also. Like this, if you take and save and execute, we got the true is the answer. See, S2 is a subset, like S2 behaving like a subset of S1 here. S2 is behaving like a subset of S1. We have completed all the methods of set data structure. We in the next session we will see the some common functions of the set data structures. Please support my channel and if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel.